On today's first look, we have a 1959 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Roadster. This is lot number 1414. Mercedes-Benz replaced their famous 300SL Gullwing in 1957 with a convertible version, utilizing the lightweight tubular steel design and the fuel-injected 215 horsepower straight six engine. You could order a Roadster as a convertible with a soft top only, a coupe with a hardtop only, or with both soft and hardtops. Technologically improved with more horsepower, a sportier camshaft, significantly better rear suspension, and it had doors that made it a breeze to get in and out of. It was a huge success, outselling the Gullwing by 25%. A total of 1,858 300SL Roadsters were built, most of these ending up in the United States thanks to Mercedes-Benz importer Max Hoffman in New York. The 300SL was the first production car to use mechanical fuel injection. Borrowing technology from Mercedes-Benz highly successful race team, the 300SL was lightweight, powerful, and fun to drive. This is considered to be one of the most important Mercedes-Benz ever. This particular 300SL Roadster, this 1959, has both the hardtop and the soft top, and is a numbers matching example. It also is the desirable big drum brake car, comes with sporty chrome wheels on it. Having benefited from an older restoration, paint and chrome show very little patina. Gull Wing Group records indicate just 3 known owners, 2 in New Jersey and 1 in Pennsylvania. Painted iconic Fire Engine Red with dark gray interior. Chassis 950027 was originally born with a cream leather interior. The previous owner was a true car lover and collector, and this 300SL is a testament to his attention to detail and care for his cars. It is accompanied by a copy of the factory data plate card and offered with its original jack and spare wheel. Best part, this is going to be coming to our Scottsdale 2022 auction at no reserve, January 22nd through the 30th. We're celebrating 50 years of the world's greatest collector car auctions, selling awesome cars like this 300SL Roadster. We also have a Gullwing, so you have an opportunity to buy his and hers, make it to Scottsdale, help us celebrate 50 years. It's going to be a fantastic auction. See you there.